Hi friends, today I came to Film Nagar. Today I came to Film Nagar Bahubali set, and I don't know one thing, but they took every single film in this Film Nagar. Hindi, Krish movie, Bahubali, Triple R, everything. And if you want to see this, it's very nice. Okay, if you are free anytime, you can come and visit. 1500 ticket. Okay, I'll make one more video. I'll go front. And that Bahubali part 2, Bahubali token went. No, that is this Shivlinga.